and welcome back to Burning Daylight. I am Maria Antoinette, and it's starting to get hot out. So today, we are going to be making, are you ready for this? Breakfast popsicles. Yes, you heard me right. We are going to be making popsicles. One for your kiddos and one for yourselves. So let's get started. We're gonna add in our bananas first. We're gonna let that spin for about a minute. Next, we're gonna add in our Greek yogurt and milk. Now we're going to gently fold in our cereal. All right, let's get everything out the way so we can get these popsicles made. I find it easiest to use a spoon to fill my popsicle mold. And then I come back with my popsicle stick, push it down to the bottom to make sure there's no air bubbles, and move on to the next one. And I'm going to pop these into the freezer. This is for all of my parfait lovers out there. We are going to take a new spin on a classic by making parfait popsicles. We are going to mix everything together, minus the granola. With everything mixed, we're gonna go ahead and get it inside of our popsicle mold. Because this is a thicker consistency, I like to just give it a gentle tap at the end so that everything can settle down into the top of the popsicle mold. Again, you wanna make sure you remove all excess. And now we're going to go in and add our granola. Let's go toss these in the freezer. For more family-friendly recipes, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.